When a concept goes from a page or screen to an object that students can make and hold in their hand, it sparks connection and understanding, making learning possibilities limitless. 3Doodler lets students create and build things in 3D.
Introducing the 3Doodler into the classroom was an incredible experience. Whatever they imagine, they can draw. It goes from their brain to their hand right there.
Students become engineers, designers, and scientists in the classroom. 3Doodler learning packs are specially designed for classrooms from kindergarten through high school and include everything students need to get started right away: pens, accessories, plastics, and lesson plans.
I was surprised with the ease that the students picked up on it. It was almost innate. They just started using it. You click and go.
3Doodler bridges differences in learning styles and engages students in a way that promotes teamwork, creative thinking, self-expression, and focus.
With 3Doodler, the students were a lot more social with each other. I saw students talk to other students that I hadn't seen them interacting with before, and they were all excited about what the other people had been doing.
It's hands-on learning that brings science, technology, engineering, and math to life. With 3Doodler, every teacher can bring fresh and innovative approaches to their classroom that enhance learning for all students.
It just works universally with every subject and everything that I teach. You're going to wonder why you hadn't used it before. It's that essential to education now.